She has more energy. She's being able to do more things around the house. She's able to shower by herself. She does laundry now. She's washing dishes. She went to the grocery store the other day and like shopped around.
Amazing, that's great. So I would love to see the labs where what the inflammation markers, because I know the inflammation went down, but the antibodies were still there. So I wanted to see if antibodies has changed. Because two of our clients this month, the antibodies came back negative for lupus and for Sjogren's.
Well, and we had some even newer lab work done whenever we went to New Orleans. So I'll try to see if I can get that too.
Yes, I would love to see what it is. I'm so excited. I'm so glad that Sandra's doing well. Face looks so much better. It's so much fuller. And it has more plump to it. You look so much better. Oh my God, your skin looks so good. Your skin looks so good and shiny.
Her nails are very, very long. They grow very fast.
Yeah, that's exactly what happens when you get all the nutrients. Extra goes into your skin, your hair, nails.
The doctor actually took her off of a medicine for her Reynaud, and she doesn't have any Reynaud on her fingers at all.
Very good. There's so no more Raynaud's, and then see if there's any adjustment need to be made to other medications as well. As she's recovering, if the symptoms get better, then other medications may need to be adjusted as well. Try working on your weight by making the adjustment, and let me know how you're doing, okay, Nikki?
Okay, we will. And I'll let you know after her swallow evaluation what it comes back.
Great. I'm looking forward to seeing the labs as well. I hope the antibodies going down, which we expect. And two of our clients, the antibodies went to zero this month. They were positive for lupus, one of them, and the other Sjogren's antibodies as well, another client.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to seeing Sandra's antibodies as well.
Yes. And I'm going to try to get you the newest labs from New Orleans.
Okay, great. Okay, so Nikki, I put the update in your document so you can review it. I can send it to you by email as well.
Okay, that sounds good. It's been getting better, so we knew that this was, what she needed to do. So
Yeah, and she looks great. I'm so happy that you're working, Sandra, that you're working and you're doing well.
She said thank you.
You're welcome. I'm so glad.
Thank you so much.
Okay, keep us posted, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.